Alright guys, we have a partial list for Supreme's Week 5 for Fall Winter 21. Let's take a look at it right now.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest. Today I'm going to do some initial reactions on the Week 5 stuff that has leaked. I will still do a top 5 list when everything comes out, but I just thought I'd get a video out there to kind of give you my initial thoughts on Week 5.
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
Before I get into it, though, the collaboration that will come out this week is a Thrasher collaboration. At one time, Thrasher was the pinnacle of all skateboard magazines. A magazine's kind of like Instagram, except for it's on paper. Yeah, weird, huh? Before this thing called the internet and Google, where you could just look up anything you wanted, if you wanted to see cool skateboarding images, you needed to wait for Thrasher to come out every month. Drops by Jay posted this shirt as something that might come out in the collaboration. This might be just something that his guy made up, not sure. There's an old skateboarding video game that's related to Thrasher, so I think they're going to use images from that old video game. I'm not 100% sure. I do expect the Thrasher items to be on my top 5 list, and I'll do that as soon as all the items are released. Alright, let's just get into it. Starting at the bottom of the list are these two beanies. I'm not really a big fan of either of them, to be honest with you. As far as the striped one goes, the only one that's even legible is the pink one, and those will probably go pretty fast. And the other one is a grid beanie. I'm not a big fan of that one at all. Maybe it's the two-tone brown, but honestly, at the end of the day, that is not a great beanie at all. One of the worst I've seen. The next item is an east-west short-sleeve top. Honestly, this one doesn't seem like a bad shirt to me. I kind of like the blue colorway, maybe the olive colorway, but at the end of the day, it's nothing that we really haven't seen before, to be fair. Next on the list is a Cordura Teflon 6-panel. I'm not a huge fan of this particular hat. I do like the black one because you get that red box logo on top of it, and maybe the purple one, but at the end of the day, all the other colors are a little bit of a mess with that big giant hat. There's a flannel shirt, but I would never buy a flannel shirt from Supreme unless they did something special with it. You can get better flannel shirts from a lot of other places. Now, the Monogram double knee painter pants, this is an interesting one to me. In the smaller or bigger sizes could do really well in the blue or the black. There's a camo ripstop camp cap, and honestly, I really can only get behind the black one in this as well. Maybe the traditional camo with the brown and green. The ripstop hats have these veins that go through it of the ripstop material, so if they get hit by a light, they'll flash, and on the black, it really does stick out, and it looks cool. The retails on these are going to be a little bit more expensive than the regular hats. You have to take that into consideration, too, when you're buying them. That's why I say I really can only get behind the black ones.
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
We've got this S logo split stuff coming out this week, the hoodie and the pants. I'm really not a fan of these at all. I might be able to get behind the pink and blue one in smaller sizes. It's just, they're really busy. They're really busy, and I don't see these being that wearable, to be honest with you. Next, they have an Arabic logo wash short sleeve shirt. So this is basically just gives you a little embroidered logo on the chesticle there.
Yeah, boy.
It'll be interesting to see if they have different colors for the embroidery. This will be a cheaper premium tee, which still means it's going to be like $58. You should be able to get your size pretty easily in this shirt if you want one. I, again, don't think they're going to have a ton of resale unless like one particular color, you know, just pops off for some reason or just looks really cool. And then we have another ridiculous item releasing this week. Obviously, the bed is coming out. $15,000 to $30,000 is what I think that this bed is going to cost. It's made completely with horsehair inside of it. The most comfortable way to sleep is only on horsehair. This is like a super high-end bed company that makes these really fancy mattresses. You probably are going to have to get it in the store. The shipping on this is going to be ridiculous. I know they'll probably give you another $200 on shipping on top of whatever it is. It's a cool bed, I'm not gonna lie to you, and if you get one, you are the king of the hype beasts.
Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit.
And the last item that came out with this little leak is a bottle opener keychain. These are great little items to add to a multi-cart. So like if you could grab like 2 of the black hats, a keychain, and then maybe some of the Thrasher items, or even, you know, if you wanted one of those S logo items or anything. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Free shipping. I don't even care about these products. Who wants any of this crap as long as the shipping is free?
That's it?
Alright guys, that was just a quick video I wanted to upload because I saw the list was released. As soon as the rest of the items are announced, I will do my regular top 5 of the week. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next video.